Hey, hey. Welcome everybody to Miss Glow's Kitchen, where there's sugar, spice, and everything nice, where we slice, dice, and entice, using everything we can, from peppers to allspice. What's up, my people? Y'all know what time it is? See y'all in the kitchen. Y'all see that? Fried biscuits on the menu today. And we gonna jump right into the frying. All you gotta do is heat your oil up, have some biscuits in the can. Now if you wanna make yours from scratch, have at it, do that, but I use some Grand's biscuits out the can, heated my oil up, put the biscuits in. Now that they turn brown on the bottom, as you can see in the beginning of the video, I start turning them over. Now, if you're using a cast iron skillet like I am, after you heat your oil, turn your oil to the lowest setting. If you do not turn your heat to the lowest setting, your biscuits will burn and they will not cook on the inside. So, unless you peel your biscuits in half and make them smaller. But if you leave them whole out of the can, like the biscuits, you get 8 in the can, 8 Grand's biscuits in the can. So if you put those in there, just like you got them out the can, then you're going to have to do it on the lowest heat setting in order not to burn them. But these are so damn good. Y'all, these country and good. I'm telling you, I was down south a while ago and my cousin made some. And just made some biscuits and just dropped them in the oil. So this is like the same thing on that. It's the same variation. Like, man, I ate these. Please. I can't even say, I don't even know what to say. Because I'm telling you, fried, but these ridiculous. Like, who came up with this? This is ridiculous and fattening. It's so good. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. And then I had the nerve to put butter and syrup with it and sop it up. Stop playing with me. Yes, sopped it up. Look at these biscuits. They so golden brown and good. It is ridiculous. They are so delicious. Yes, that's what they look like up close. How about that? Now, check this out. This me with some syrup and some biscuits. I'm telling y'all, I ain't want to get on here because I ain't combing my hair. But y'all got to make these biscuits. Thanks for watching. See y'all next time. As always, I appreciate you. Hit that like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.